Today we're going to fix this dent without doing any kind of painting or body work in order to show you the true value and quality of paintless dent removal when it's performed at a high level. Stay tuned.
Hey, this is Brice with Central Florida Dent Repair. Today I want to talk a little bit about the value of paintless dent removal. So I had a customer actually bring me a brand new Dodge Ram, 500 miles on it. Unfortunately, sideswiped in a parking lot. A lady was backing out and completely demolished his fender on this brand new truck. He knew that if he took it to a body shop, they would have to probably paint additional or adjacent panels on the vehicle. Adjacent panels meaning like the fender, the door, and the hood all together to kind of get it to all match. And that's what they typically will do at a body shop. They'll strip the original paint off and give you the aftermarket paint, which is not as good, unfortunately. But he wanted to avoid all that. He actually gave me a call. I came out to his location, gave him an estimate, and he decided that he wanted to move forward on the spot. So I've highlighted this particular repair in the video. Keep in mind, this is by no means an easy repair, but I wanted to kind of just show you what you can expect when paintless dent repair is done at a really high level and what we can do in terms of trying to save you from repainting your car. So check it out. Okay, I already know what you're thinking, that this fender needs to go in the garbage and be replaced with a new fender, but this customer had different intentions. He wanted to fix this using paintless dent removal. So you can see here that there is a chip, unfortunately. That's from the inner structure just kind of causing that crack in the paint there, but he actually was willing to live with a little chip in the paint rather than repaint multiple panels on this vehicle with aftermarket paint. So here's the repair during the process, and you can see we've got it flattened out. It's coming together. It's a little bit choppy right now, but that's part of what we do. We're just essentially roughing this area out to essentially fine-tune it in the end. And you can see right there, there's the top portion just being worked out. And we've got it all somewhat aligned there. And here's the final product, actually. And this came out really, really good, considering what this was. We essentially turned this into a brand new fender, or with the exception of the chip. Now he's going to have that chip touched up, and he's going to move on with his life. He was really upset when this happened, but very happy in the end knowing that this vehicle, this brand new vehicle, remains original. So if you have any questions about this service, feel free to reach out at 386-216-5185, or you can log on to cfldentrepair.com. Thanks for watching.